my nomination. Anisebate. Anisebate, man. Abantu sebeyenza benza bayaphi nomi. Nomi yapi? Okay, thank you. Then these talk guides.
Okay, so now Kelly.
What's it afterwards, Chini? Yes, it is. Samoik. Hello, baboon. This is a baboon. Don't do it. Do you know which way we're going, Chase? No. Should we wait for the gents to show us? Yeah. Okay. Guinea fowl. Fowl. What's that? Fowl. Guinea fowl. Hey, Sukhua.
Down out. Now.
Hello, miss. Hi.
I don't like troubleshooting.
Oh, this place is gorgeous, though. It looks like there's more space here. Yo, I can't so Jima was up. So Jima was going. Hey, bo. Push, baby. Oh, there's a beautiful view.
Yo, you can hear City Thunder arrive.
Tadpole. This is our home for the night.
Which version of social media is she using? Insta, TikTok, what?
This is gonna go on YouTube.
But you have a channel, no?
Nice.
Living that best life.
Nice and cozy.
How are three of you guys sharing this?
No, it's just two of us.
Oh, so just the two? Yeah, that's why I was confused. I was like, where's Miss T filling in this room? Yeah.
Apparently it's two people
I suggest
room.
you find your fridge.
This place is absolutely beautiful, guys. It says cuff cuff. Yes, queen. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I want the wonders, sana. And ngithanda le mpahla ifoto ngiyokwazi ifoto. Yazi ngibanelishwa ndingakwazi tu.
Jana lonke livela kahle phathe.
Oh, can you please send?
Is that your phone?
You are coming tomorrow. Are you coming back tomorrow?
Hey guys, so we just had a fruitful engagement. It is so amazing. Unfortunately, I couldn't record because some of the things that are being discussed were, private and stuff. Oh my goodness. Anyway, now we are going to go have a good time because it's Temba Mukala time, like I put it. They're about to go enjoy some socializing, have some drinks, network and this is this Tosi. So say hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good and you?
I'm good. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling tired, man.
This is Temba Mukala time. you must be ready.
I am ready.
We are about to have dinner. Sente. Yeah, this is beautiful. Man of the house? Sorry, sir. Philani, it's day 2, Saturday morning. We've just woken up. We are on our way to breakfast, workshop thingamabob for the whole day. We probably went to bed at what time? 3. We went to bed at 3 a.m. and the time is now 7:48, I think. So we're meant to be at breakfast at 7 and then eat and then start the workshop at 7:55. So Kanga and I legit have about 5 minutes to just quickly grab something to eat and then be part of. As if this was black people only, there'd be African time and people would be so considerate of that. But okay, him does it. He nobody care about that. Just want us feel it, guys. So okay, let's go and see what today, day 2, has in store for us. You lie. Tell me there's still breakfast?
Wow.
Oh, too much.
So, wait, just listen because you're going to want to. So, coffee's in here. Cold breakfast is down there, but there's also a hot English breakfast if you order.
English
so, like
breakfast.
yogurt, muffins, fruit, etc. that side. And then if you coffee in here with juice, and then if you order, you can get like a full English breakfast. So, enjoy, have fun. And you film everything. I think I want to get a GoPro.
I need one.
Just like one of those ones.
Please,
GoPro right in front of you.
please.
Well, I'm
My
gonna get
birthday's
you
in
one.
June.
And I ain't no sugar daddy. You guys, best find your own person.
Yo, Jason. No, we have it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're eating here. Hello. Good morning. I think what's there? Is there like coffee and what's there?
Coffee is here. Savings is the
Savory. I
tatas.
don't want savory. I want a hot English breakfast. Hi. Yes, please. You're so handsome.
Thank you. How would you like your eggs done?
Can I have sunrise with the yolk? What do you call
Sunny
that?
side up.
That one. Yo, banana. Oh, clever one. Sunrise, sunny side up, same shit. Good morning. How are we feeling? Good. So it's yum.
Morning, sugar.
Let's go.
Okay, that's it. Yeah. Hello.
Guys, there's still an English breakfast that also comes, so they will take your order inside.
We are ready.
You ready?
You're looking cute.
Thank you.
Go.
And we'll organize lunch quickly. Otherwise, morning to Paris.
Ano must have Virginia? Ano must have Virginia? Like Philani. You, hey boss, Sana, what is the need? Why? Okay. That went otherwise.
Why have no visa?
Oh, no. Thank you for waking us up.
Always be there, son.
Appreciate
10, I'll always be there.
Sun Banani, good morning. Good morning. This is the life. That is the life. Yeah.
Just because I'm sitting here.
It's Valentine's Day. Where's your boyfriend? Guys, we've just had breakfast and we've been told to pack up. Yeah.
Combined, they don't make this phone.
That's what we're gonna do.
No! You'll die if you go to use it.
Yes, we're done packing. Time to G.O.
Hello.
Njani babalaza?
Random.
100%.
No, 70.
Khona nomqabula.
Singazamani.
Khona ithemba. Likhona ithemba.
Singazamani.
Themba libulali.
No. Abantu because intombi zinecebo ayikwincwadi etsho.
Ubani? Nayebiza thina? Nayebiza thina?
Lelo ibekuthiwa ngumetho kabani kana.
Nawuthemba biza thina?
Ibe ngumetho.
Ha? Oh.
Hayi le nto.
Lie.
Siyama ne-coconuts.
I'm a coconut. I'm a cocoa.
Abantu bathela into ethini.
Oh, Mr. Seti, how can you say that? Mr. Seti, how can you say that?
Of course I can.
That's rude.
It's not.
It's very rude.
Oh, please.
You're judging us.
No, I'm saying it as is.
Is this the right way, Samurai?
Eh?
Is this the right way, Samurai?
Alright. Right.
Oh, yes, like.
Nijongi kwenyana uprincipal wenu nifuna nyani sa. Ukasatha inkawuza na. Ndithi hamba umncela mpa makalinde.
Balekile laphi. Uleni. Ibla classroom tonight. Up. He promotion. Okay.
I'm fine now.
What? Homes. Right, guys, officially leaving Buntu Valley Resorts in Noordhoek. It's been a wonderful experience, but unfortunately, our time here has come to an end. Bye. Thank you, Hans, for tuning in. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.